Reformation movement in the Muslim community. In the early 19th century, social and religious reforms were initiated in Muslim community under the leadership of people like Haji Saritullah from Bengal and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan from Rai Bareli in Uttar Pradesh. They were motivated by the preaching of the religious leaders Shah Wahiullah of Delhi. They believed that the Britishers could establish their rule in our country as the Islam in India was becoming weaker and corrupted. They started Wahhabi movement in order to strengthen the Islamic religions and cultural and also to make it purer. Many Muslims started acquiring English educations due to the impact of the Wahhabi movements and the growing influence of the Western culture. However, due to the orthodox natures of the ulema, a large number of Muslims remains deprived of the English education, social awareness and reforms. That is why the education of Muslims and the subsequent rise of middle class was not satisfactory. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in the aristocratic family. During the revolt of 1857, he was serving the East India Company as an employee and had remained loyal to the company after the retirement in 1869 Common Era. He went to England and was influenced by the liberal ideas of the West. He advocated the ideas of acquiring the English education as the mean to reform the Muslim community of its orthodox attitudes and the backwardness. He started magazine, namely Tehzeeb ul Aqbal, in 1870 CE. He established the Aligarh Muslim College in 1875 Common Era, which is known as the Aligarh Muslim University today also. He translated the books of English literature and the science in Urdu language and tried to make the Muslim familiar with the branches of knowledge from the West. He opposed the veil system, that is Burkha Pratha, and child marriage and advocated education for girls and the widow remarriages. Students, after that, the Sikh community is there. The reforms of the 19th century also influenced the Sikh community. Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee was formed with an objective to recognize the religious practice and remove the evil practice from the Gurudwaras. To impart English education along with the religious education to the Sikh, Khalsa College in Amritsar was established along with many other schools. Students, after Sikh community, the Parsi community is there. The Parsi youngsters who were acquired English education established Ruhanae Madhyasana Sabha in 1851 for the socio-religious reformers movements, and Dada Bhai Nauroji was the leader of Sabha. The Sabha had started to periodical, namely Rasta Guftar. It gives the inputs to the reforms movements and carried out work for awakenings of the Parsis. K.R. Kama and Brahmaji Malbari also contributed in the socio-religious reforms. Kama laid emphasis on the proportions of educations and the Malbari emphasized on women empowerment. They opposed child marriage and encouraged widow remarriages. Due to the effort of Malbari, the government passed the law fixing the minimum age of marriage in 1891. After that, Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule was a well-known social reformer of Maharashtra. He started school for girls in Pune in 1857 Common Era. He helped the widow to remarry. Means that students, those lady who became widow, they will marriage again. He challenged the authority of the Brahmins in the society. He established the Satya Sodak Samaj in order to include confidence, courage, and enthusiasm in the people. After Jyotiba Phule, Thakkar Bapa's contributions as the head of Akhil Hind Harijan Sangh established by Gandhiji was very valuable in the upliftment of the untouchables. He worked tirelessly to provide relief to the people affected by natural calamities. Amritlal Thakkar, popularly known as Thakkar Bapa, was born in 1869 CE in the city of Bhavnagar. He remains the dutiful and devoted servant of the people throughout his life. He was an engineer who left the lucrative job to serve the downtrodden and marginalized people after being inspired by Gandhiji. Thakkar Bapa established the Panchmahal Bhil Seva Mandal and tried to reform the lives of the Bhil who inhabited the deep forest and the hilly areas of the Panchmahal region. Thakkar Bapa and his followers freed the Bhil from the additions of alcohol, other evil customs and the superstitions. He opened the school for the Bhil children. He taught how to operate a spinning wheel to the produced khadi and involved them in a small cottage industries. As time passed, awakenings and the nationalism spread among the people, which connected them better with the freedoms movement. Gandhiji's emphasis upon the removals of the untouchability improves the conditions of the people from the backward classes. Okay students, here our lesson is